Top 5 gun safes for pistol.
Top 5.
Access firearms immediately. Groundbreaking 20% faster auto slide-out drawer allows quick access to firearms once the MiniVault is unlocked. Unlocking the safe triggers the door to automatically spring open as the padded drawer slides out. Also featuring tamper detection, low battery warning, audio tones that can be muted, and a 5-year warranty. Safe dimensions: WXDXH, inches, external, 8.3 by 12 by 5.48 inches and internal, 6.57 by 9.94 by 2.27 inches, weight 9.75 pounds.
Top 4.
Steel. Imported. Exterior size 12 inches by 8 inches by 7 inches. Tamper alarm for extra security 12-digit keypad with more than 1,000 secure combinations. 2 3/4 inches steel locking bolts on doors and soft bottom carpet for protection. Pre-drilled mounting holes.
Top 3.
Powerful Wi-Fi connectivity. View live safe data and receive instant alerts for safe activity right to your phone. Manage and monitor your safe remotely from the Wi-Fi app or online web dashboard. Be alerted of tampering when the safe has been opened. View battery levels, history log, and much more. Refined interior includes high-density foam padding to the holster and protects a single firearm plus 1 spare magazine. Will not fit handguns with top-mounted accessories. Fits handguns up to 8.875 in length.
Top 2.
Biometric fingerprint scanner and activation button. Holds up to 20 individual fingerprints. 18-gauge steel construction, with protective foam, lined interior.
Top 1.
The Biometric gun safe features a new fingerprint scanner for advanced protection, new interior light for visibility in any situation. A gun safe is equipped with an improved gas strut for long-lasting performance. Instantly open the safe door for single-handed access to your handgun, ideal for use as a bedside gun safe. For optimal performance, SentrySafe recommends the use of 4 high-quality, name-branded, and alkaline AA batteries with an expiration date of 8 to 10 years from the current year. Generic and rechargeable batteries often do not have the lifespan needed to support long-term usage. Check the description below on where to buy it.